Hi, kids.
Hi.
Say hi, kuya. Hi.
Hi. We are the
Oh, is what? What's that?
Watch wobbly.
What? What? What is what?
The ears.
The ears is very nice. Oh, it's talking.
Wobbly.
Wobbly, wobbly. Wobbly, wobbly. So, Atarah. Hi, Atarah.
Hi. We are the water.
What water? What's that? What's that in your front?
It's ship.
Is it chip?
Yeah.
Kuya. Elijah. Is it chip?
Yeah. No.
Is it what?
There's over there.
No. What's in your front? What's that?
It's ship.
Is it ship? Is it chip?
Yeah. Baby ship.
Baby ship?
Yeah.
Oh wow, sharing is caring. Sharing is caring. So you need to share, huh? Share the toy. Let's kuya. Oh, wow, very good. Ah, you can have it. I'm giving it to Atarah. So this one is what? Can I borrow lang?
Okay.
This one is for...
Ship.
Yes, is it a ship? Is it a ship?
Yeah.
It's a llama. Llama is different from ship.
Have ears and mouth and eyes.
Yes, there's ship and there's ears. You also have ears? Atarah have ears? See?
Yes. And
Furreal Walkalots. Yes. Oh, see? See, Furreal Walkalots Llama. There's also battery included. And yes, it have sounds. When pat in the head. Pat in the head, then move the head. Oh, see? Wow, so nice.
Oh, cute.
Yes, it's so cute.
Cute. You can open.
Yes, we can open it now. See?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yay, I like my dad and I yay.
Titanic pet walkers wanted. You can walk it also and put
happy. I want to see
and put some little animals also together. Oh, come on, let's open up.
Yay! I want to open it. Please.
Okay, mommy will open it.
Yeah! They want the strings.
Oh, we will. There's a string. Okay. I'll get a
What kind of string is that? It's a plastic tape. Yes. A plastic string. Yeah! I'm going down, please. I'm a bandit ship.
Open the toy. Mommy will help you open the toy.
Help me?
Yes, I'll cut it here. Okay, I'll cut it here and here also.
This one string.
Oh,
And
wait lang,
this.
Atarah. Then I think we need to get this ready. Just get this. Cut this. Have this here. See? I have the handle
Yeah, yummy. Good for yours.
for yours. Then cut the lower part. It's like utot. It's utot. Then the lower part also have string. Wow, you have the llama. Can you show the llama, please? Then there's
It's perfect.
a handle at the bottom.
There you go.
Kuya Atarah. There's a handle at the bottom. The base is. See, look under the platform. See, look under the platform for instruction and the additional part.
The toy.
It's part.
There's parts inside.
Yeah.
Under there. Can I see?
Oh, we can see it. Halos lang.
Can I see?
We need to cut the edge.
Got the edge. It's mine.
Atarah is for both of you, not just yours.
Okay.
What are you giving? Wow, see the parts is here. Wait lang.
It's over
Wait
here.
lang, Atarah, wait
See the manual. This one. See the manual.
Kuya will see the manual.
I'm the manual. There you go. It's the manual. Hey, I want to say. It smells good. Mommy, it looks like it smells good.
Wait.
Mommy.
there's a...
Get the manual. The manual.
Okay.
Let's see the
See, the
manual.
manual is just for the instruction how to... The manual... The manual have the instructions how to assemble the handle of the pet. See? This one, the handle, you put it here, you snap it here, and here and here. Oh, come on. And there's a battery inside at the bottom. Okay, let's check.
We need to fix this.
It's already have battery, but I will show here. Here's the battery. There's a
Wheel.
battery.
This is the wheel.
There's a wheel, there's a battery here.
I want to spin the wheel.
Spin the wheel.
No, Yummy.
Okay. And there's a tag, for real tag. See? And the head can move here, left and right. See?
Oh, can you fix this?
Okay, we will fix the ano muna ha, Kuya Atarah. We fix the handle.
Mine?
Both of you, it's not anyone's ano.
Your strings. You want to get the
We fix it here.
But it's stuck. It's stuck.
Here.
Strings. You get the strings. They're too hard to move.
Here. We fix
And then
the.
oh no, they're tickling me.
We fix the handle first.
Go you.
Here, snap it here.
Go.
Snap it together. Ah, look how it's done. Look how it's done. See, you snap the handle here. See? Snap it.
Now back.
Then here. And for the pet.
My back. Can I hold it?
Sure.
No, you have to. No, you have to.
One by one. Who first? You go first.
Atarah.
Okay, Atarah.
Atarah catch me.
Wow, so Kuya and Atarah is playing together.
Hey, excuse me. It's shoving me.
Here, you show here. Later. You show. Here muna. You circle here. Circle around here. Round. You move. Sige na. Wow, like for Atarah. Say follow Atarah. Wow. The pets are in circle. The pets are in circle. Wow. The pets are on circle. Why? You're so tired with your pet? Wow! Atarah have the llama. Okay. Come here. Wow! Atarah have the llama. And Kuya, come here. Here lang, Kuya. You play muna there.
I'm spinning.
There lang there lang.
I'm spinning. Stop.
Don't fight.
I'm gonna go to school with the cat.
Wow. Don't go far. Here lang. Faster. Wow. Atarah and Kuya are playing together with their pets. For real pets.
The pets are above the cat.
Oh no, be careful. With the llama, it's at the ship.
With it.
Wow, so nice. Nice.
Wow, I can't do this. I can't do myself. I can do this. Oh, the yellow fell down. It almost fell down. The yellow almost fell down. I win.
You win.
I'm in the school.
You're in the school.
I'm gonna stop it.
How come stopping?
You might bump the head. You might bump the egg. The egg of yum.
Wow, see? Oh, come on, go. The pet.
There's a pet. No. Hey, stop it.
Move the pet. Come on, move the pet. Move the
There's
pet.
a pet. Oh no, that's going to fall.
Oh, Atarah, don't go far. Come here, come here. Can you show
I'll
the
turn here
pet?
and I'll turn
Okay.
circle.
Wow, see?
I'm going to shopping with Mama.
Shopping.
Yes,
Shopping where?
here. I'm here now. No, I want shopping. No, it's too far away. I go shopping. No, it's too very far. Very far. Very
Wow, so
far.
cute. You have cute pets.
Go, yeah.
You have cute pets.
Look at that. I'm carrying the cat. Yeah.
Oh, don't carry like that. It hurts. It hurts in real life. Oh, gonna. And the tail is waggling. The tail is waggling.
We're going of the cat.
Oh, yes. See? The tail is
Hey,
waggling.
be careful. Oh,
Elijah.
Atarah.
The tail is waggling. Oh no, kuya.
My cat tip
Yes.
at the building.
Building. Well, how come like a building?
Ah!
Be careful.
This one is this one is the
Oh, come on. Hi. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Thanks for watching.
The watching.
We have our pets.
Our pet. I need to.
You enjoy it? You enjoy your pets?
Yeah.
You enjoy your pets?
Yeah. Yes.
Wow.
I enjoy. My cat tipped.
Oh no, it tipped.
Yes. That's so funny.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. Bye-bye.
I just I got the dog pushing my cat.
Oh.